Hi, my name is Jose Fernandez. In this video, I would like to show you how to create a new policy in conditional access for multi-factor authentication. Okay, so the first thing I need to do is going to Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Second thing, identity. This is my tenant. Next, conditional access, policies, new policy, name, lab, factor authentication, users, all user exclude. Here, this is the tenant, is the global administrator, sorry. It's okay. Perfect. Okay, in conditional, clean apps, configure, yes, everything. Here is, this is the second, this is a new thing in Azure now. Okay, for my lab is not necessary. Here is more different methods to allow the multi-factor authentication, like a SMS or whatever. For me, it's enough with the first one. Okay, so it's report only. This is select and create. Okay. Now it's in there, so we need to try if it's working or not. Users, okay. I need to put the normal user. Apps, Office, Exchange, for example. Windows, browser. Okay. And now we need to see if it's working or not. Yeah, it's working, my lab, okay. This is Microsoft, okay, and this is the policy I do it now. Now I want to change the user for my tenant, is the global administrator, is exclude for the policy. So now I'll select the global administrator and the policy. It doesn't work now, okay, so div, exactly, my policy is not working, okay, but if I put the normal user, the policy is working. Okay, so thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.